A senior administration official described it as a possible impediment to getting a deal.
I mean, what is that about?
I want to point out Margaret sneezed a few minutes ago. Very correctly, in the sleeve. I mean, it would be one thing if it was
I don't know. Who's got some Purell? Give that to Mr. Todd right away. A little hand sanitizer. Good. We'll have Elmo give Chuck a special briefing. We'll get Elmo over. Elmo knows how to sneeze.
In order to stay healthy, always sneeze or cough into the bend of your arm.
Like this. Achoo.
Remember, use your arm when you cough or sneeze, and you'll be happy and healthy on Sesame Street.